What happened, Viraj? My nose is blocked and I have cold. Achhi. Okay, so simple and easy solution is Chyawan-Prash. Okay. It will affect me? Yes, it will cure you. Okay. I will bring, stay here. Okay. How many quantity we have to take this? Okay, so we should take 1 spoon daily in the morning, and for the school children it is more effective. So if you have cold, so this Chyawan-Prash boost immunity, and you can try this. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.